Have you ever thought about creating your own Zen garden at home? These serene spaces serve multiple purposes. They're perfect for relaxation, meditation, and they can significantly enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. Creating a Zen garden is not as complicated as it may seem. Follow these steps to create your own personal oasis. To begin creating your Zen garden, gather the following materials. You'll need a shallow container, sand, smooth rocks, a mini rake, and small plants or mosses. These items can be easily sourced from home or a local gardening store. Once you have your materials, you're ready to start creating your Zen garden. The first step in creating your Zen garden is to fill your container with sand. Pour the sand smoothly, covering the base evenly. Next, place the rocks and plants. There's no wrong way to arrange them. It's all about expressing your creativity. Once you're happy with the arrangement, take your mini rake and draw patterns in the sand. These patterns can be as intricate or as simple as you prefer. Now, you have your very own Zen garden. But how do you maintain it? Maintaining your Zen garden is just as important as creating it. It's a nurturing process, inviting you into a rhythm of regular care. You'll find yourself raking the sand, creating new patterns that reflect your inner state. The plants, too, need your attention, a gentle watering to sustain their growth. Yet this isn't just about upkeep. Each act of maintenance is also a moment of meditation, a chance to connect with the quiet within. With regular maintenance, your Zen garden will continue to provide a place of relaxation and tranquility. Creating a Zen garden at home is a simple and rewarding activity. You've seen the materials needed, the steps to build, and how to maintain your Zen haven. Feel free to experiment with different arrangements and patterns. Make this garden truly your own tranquil space. The beauty of Zen gardening is in the flexibility and personal touch you bring to it. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!